Hi, Julia. So we're here for the reunion press live. Okay. So tell us about the reunion and who are you working with in this project?
It's all about Barkada movie. More on fun, teenage life, and siguro yung mga kasama ko dito is, yan si Jasmine Mignola, Kian Cipriani, Cian Game, and Sean D, Enrique Hill, Megan Young, Bankers, and Christine Reyes.
Christine Reyes.
So what's the main theme of this movie? The main theme.
Main theme. Actually, it's like, yun nga, it's like an out of the box film. Kasi usually, ang ginagawa yung films ngayon, puro rom-coms, mga love stories and drama. Kami, it's like a breath of fresh air na barkada film all about fun and comedy. So I think basically the theme is young comedy.
So what character do you play for this?
Ang hirap explain.
May NDA ba? Bawal pa sabihin.
Ay, pwede naman po. Pero yung sa akin kasi, masasabi ko siguro may twist. Pero isa akong girl na adventurous. Na siguro, sporty adventurous. Na siguro, nakapagpabag. Oo, sabi kay Enrique.
Oh, you already.
Me already.
Ayun na. Pero sila Julia kasi at Enrique, sila yung parang yung love team sa film namin. Kasi lahat kami puro mga, di ba, parang lahat kami puro college kami na.
College life.
Yung may mga work na kami. Si Julia at Enrique, sila yung talagang pinakabatang love team sa amin. Yung mga
Kumbaga,
teeny
boppers.
ganyan.
Yung ipatuting love.
Ako naman, ako dito yung tomboy na artist. Kasi graphic artist ako dito. So parang more on, yung mga nakikita mo sa yung mga artist sa looking, mga babae. Naka-up lang yung hair, walang makeup, gano'n. Ganyan yung character ko dito. Tapos best friend ako ni Connection since mga bata. It's like we're one big barkada. Magkakakilala kami, connected kami sa
Oo. Okay. Feel awkward because they're broadcasting there and I'm not wearing the right shirt, you know.